Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on Dopa for beginners. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Dopa app. Now once you have opened it up, this is how it is gonna look like. Go to this option of account at the bottom and tap on this option of sign in. Now you're gonna find this option of login as a guest if you would prefer, or sign up. I'm going to tap on sign up, and now I'm going to add in my first name, my last name, respectfully, my email, my password. I'm going to confirm the password again. I'm going to tap on this agree to the terms of service. Tap on sign up. I will be signed up. Now in case, I can also choose to simply do it by my Apple ID or my Google ID. All I gotta do is simply tap on it, agree to for the browser redirect. And now I simply gotta go ahead, choose the account that I would like to use it with. Once you have chosen the account, I will be able to create my account with the particular email right over here, and I'm done. That is basically how you will be able to sign up for Dopa right over here. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.